car accident,
Yes.
herniated discs,
Yes.
pain,
Always.
sciatica. It's good to get adjusted. That's the moral of the story there. So, let's just... That was beautiful. Relax here. That was amazing. And, release the knee too.
Okay.
And the hip.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Right here. That's
Oh my god.
new tie-dye, guys. You know, I'm stepping it up. The reason why I like it is so it can help target that lower back. Absolutely crushed.
How do you do that so fast?
Wow.
Did you hear it?
Yeah, I felt that went all throughout your spine.
I can feel it in my toes.